Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize the quick access buttons on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So first let's open the quick access, let's swipe from the top to the bottom, then one more time. And now in order to manage these buttons, over here we have the pen icon. We can tap on it in order to start customizing. We can drag and hold these tiles pretty much anywhere. We can rearrange them, we can reposition them how we want to. If we scroll all the way down, we also have some buttons that are not accessible from the get-go, so we can add them manually and put them into the list. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done, then you can simply go back by tapping this arrow over here. We also have these three dots in the top right corner where we can reset all changes pretty much. So reset everything to the default positions and buttons and stuff. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.